Molybdenum software. How do you like it?
Yeah, sounds good.
I don't know if I hit the notes good. I have a friend who has what is it called? The perfect hearing or pitch perfect hearing?
Yeah, perfect pitch.
Perfect, but isn't perfect pitch in delivery and like singing?
Yeah, yeah.
He has
Oh no, I think even
perfect.
it's even hearing. It includes hearing.
Yeah, so he can do that, and I think we are all vibrational beings,
Mm-hmm.
and everything is frequency. So I've been
Yeah.
trying to practice. I've been using this app, and I got, I don't know, pretty far, but still, it's been years. I've been trying to learn to hear better. It's
Okay.
odd. I find it odd that I can that it's not just automatic, right? Like, how come I can't discern between, these two intervals? Like, what's why is it so difficult?
Yeah.
I consider it an impairment, a disability. That's why I take it so seriously, because I just trying to
Mm-hmm.
restore what I think is natural.
Yeah.
Okay, but singing is even, I think, more difficult. All right, sharing. And actually, I want to move all of these to the other screen. Okay. Been getting better with the keyboard. I think the final frontier here is all the pairs. The pairs, parentheses,
Yeah.
curlies, brackets,
Yeah.
angle brackets. Especially since there's more than one way, because you can pretty much do a billion different combinations here. So
That's still better than my progress. I'm still on the alphabets, my keyboard.
really, but
Yeah,
you're trying to do a completely different layout.
yeah. Yeah. I'm trying out sturdy.
Well, maybe pick up that game.
Yeah. No, I don't mind just typing random words on KeyBR. So I've been doing that for like 2 months now.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. As long as you keep doing that.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we've been doing that patch, and we said that.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
But we did have a plan. We said, we're going to decorate this, assuming they all inherit from this, and where there's this. How do I do G X? Continue conversation. And we said, okay, so make me a, I don't know, decorator. Actually, we don't need a decorator. We can we can instead of patch this.
We can do it. We can pass the setup class.
Yes, we can patch. It'll be simpler, a simpler patch.
Yeah.
I think. So it'll be less code, I think.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So what needs example of concise make a concise example of wrapping like existing, I don't know if existing is the right term here, set up methods inside I kind of lack the terminology, the Python terminology here, or the classical inheritance terminology of, I want to say, can I do this? No.
Setup class of child and parent or something like that. Of children.
Okay. Make a concise example of the wrapping of child not it can be descendant methods within a
parent
set up class method. I think that's what we're looking for, right? We want to insert a little bit of code before and then call the child ones.
Yeah, but the child also defines setup class and not setup.
The child can define setup class, but what we saw is that when it does, it calls super.
Yeah.
So I think we're covered. I think we have a solid plan. Okay. Class in a parent setup class is the leaf class. So you can wrap that class as setup there. Class parent unit test case class method setup class takes class original equals class dots. Okay, that's straightforward. You can just access. Okay, yeah, you can just access like the most recent, right? I don't know what is it called? The actual, the current, the final setup class setup method, and you go define another function that wraps it, like whatever you want. You can call the original there as well. Should be probably past self, which it apparently expects, and then all we need to do is assign to the thing we just obtained, reassign.
Yeah.
And then we call the super setup class as which we probably already do. We're going to patch setup class, right? So that's it. I mean, we don't care what really happens in child setup. That's just a demonstration, right?
Yeah.
So this code is far simpler than everything we've tried so far. So I'm going to just kind of take this and just put it. We're going to probably going to make a new patch, but I'm just going to put this here for you
for
to
reference.
Grab.
Yeah. Okay.
Just need to wait a few seconds. Gotta work on that intro composition. It's too trivial.
Sharing. Shared.
Did I say in the intro that we're here with Shivaraj working on frappix and sponsored by Wildnis Manufactur?
No, you just said molybdenum software show. That's it.
I think you sing even
I
worse
didn't
than
get
I
the
do.
same pitch, but
I hope we get to practice some more karaoke at Tiger Sprint.
oh yeah, last time was fun. Okay, so we were at the patch. Let me just open the patch here. Dot patch, frappe skip test patch. Let me also split this window and open frappe. Do I have anything existing?
Just trash this.
Yeah, I'll just restore.
Oh, interesting. Why is it? What's going on?
Oh, I just created the patch out of it, and I did not revert these changes. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Just restored this,
Yup.
and so let's open. What is the file? Utils test utils by. Yeah, and we have to go to the setup class here and set.
I wonder where this will be.
Mhm.
Right? Does this interact with anything? It's just a wrapping of a method that does not get executed until later than this, right? Because you set up the
Yeah.
class before you set up a test.
Yeah.
So it might not matter where we insert this stuff.
So okay, so to just do it in the end.
Sure.
Okay. So we need the same thing. Original. What is class dot
Why don't
set?
you just grab that text from the left?
Yeah. This, and this.
And make sure we use either tabs or like whatever is currently used. Maybe that's the smartest thing to do. Tabs or spaces.
Yeah. Let's see what's used. Oh, sorry.
You can see by just hovering over it if it.
Yeah, these are tabs.
Yes.
These are also tabs.
Okay, then tabs.
Yeah, it is tabs.
2 tabs. Just make sure we keep using tabs. If you have spaces there,
yeah,
remove them.
Yeah, they're all tabs.
But is that one tab? What's going on? What is that? I just saw.
Yeah, this
spaces.
This is just
both.
I think these are just
spaces?
spaces. Yeah, these are spaces. I just have to right? So it's no, this is fine. Yeah, these are tabs now. And these are tabs. These are tabs. And these are spaces. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. So we have the wrapped method, and this is where we bring in our ID. Well, it's a skipping logic.
Right. That's right. Start from var, grab also those skip IDs.
And
start with this. Paste that in.
Yeah. So let's go here, paste it. Oh. And
actually it will, it will
yeah,
it will do this for each test. It's a bit of a performance hit. Maybe tiny bit of a performance hit.
Yeah.
Can it do this like in the scope above? Then it happens once.
In the scope above.
Yeah. Instead of in the wrapped one, the obtaining and the parsing of that environment variable in order to obtain skip IDs can occur.
Yeah. I can move this.
Yes.
And it doesn't matter where. Here, it's fine. Just add. And okay, we got the skip IDs.
I think it can be one line. Skip IDs.
Cool. And we need the for loop now. But it won't be class dict items, it'll be self dict items, I think.
But this for loop is on. No, we don't do any of this. We are already in the most convenient place. We are in setup. Basically, we just need to do the.
We already have the test ID, so it's a self.id, right?
Right.
Yeah. Like
if
test
any.
ID, self ID.
Yeah.
And we need this bit. This. Let's also print the test ID for now. Just for
probably
debugging.
A good idea.
And paste it here. And get this. Shift C, Shift C, Shift C, delete. Tab.
Well.
Check if there are any tabs. These are spaces. So. Okay, tab. Now there are tabs. Yeah, the tabs.
Are they all tabs?
Oh,
those are
this?
spaces.
No, not this. Now it is. What about this? Now it is. No, not this. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Tab. Yeah, cool. I'll just continue because I'm on Frappe. I'll just finish and put this patch there. Yeah. Okay.
Let's not print the parent wrap. There's no need to do that.
Yeah. And that's pretty much it, right? Nothing else to do.
There's an extra blank line.
This
62.
one? 62. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Just generate the patch. Right. This. I think I had this. Yeah. frappix. Should I replace the existing patch, or I'll just call it? I'll just create a new one. Replace it. Okay.
Yeah.
Frappe skip test.patch. All right. Let's see if it's gone. Yeah. And I think we should be fine with indentation. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, no, we are not. This looks odd. The frapped.
Well, go to your source and see whether it's spaces. You know what's an easy way to do this? Do a search for space and you'll see highlights.
Search for \space.
Not back, just space. Enter. Don't you see?
No, I don't see all this.
What if you search for any character? Don't you see highlights for it?
Search for D. Oh, I only get Oh, that's strange. Maybe there is.
We don't have highlights.
Yes, or I can just, let's check it. Oh, these are all spaces. Yeah. Now it's tab.
Is it though? It is.
Yeah. These are also spaces. Now they're all tabs. These are tabs, 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 tabs. This is fine. What about this? No. This, tabs, 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 tabs. Yeah.
Looks good.
Let's replace. Yeah, now it's fine.
Okay, rotate.
Okay. Mob next.
Sharing. Shared. Mob start. I believe I should be able to run it.
Oh, we need manual testing, right?
So
oh, yeah, we are running manual testing. Yes. Sorry.
Where's my caps lock? Is it here? No. Is it here? Yes. I don't know what to skip.
We were supposed to skip the SMTP thing.
Do I have
or you can just run the test, the SMTP test, and we are printing the test IDs anyway.
Sure.
Bench typo.
It's not my shell. Not my shell. Not my shell.
Run test, module, frappe, email, test SMTP. Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
It's funny how typing seems to be exactly in opposition to remembering what to type.
Yeah.
Well, that happened very fast.
Yeah. Did it print any test IDs?
These
oh,
are
yeah,
good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice. That's good.
I don't know what the errors are.
Yeah, but yeah, we just wanted the test IDs, right?
I think this prints with a line feed, and then the error is supposed to be here.
Yeah. That's okay.
So I'm gonna grab this, for example, to skip it because it seems to error. Right?
Yeah.
Hold on, my screen turned off. Okay.
Oh, I heard the inverter or something.
Yes. So it's not the UPS.
Oh.
It's not only when the power goes entirely off that kicks in. It's also when the power goes bad, goes out of safe range. Skip tests, and then
Paste.
paste. That should do the trick, right?
Yes. There we go.
Skipped. Okay,
By
we don't
skip.
need to write skipped.
Yeah. By skip this.
Okay.
Awesome.
Yes, that looks right. So if we manually modify this, we remove this,
Reduce
subtract from
the after the comma
here.
20 to 20. Yeah, will be 20.
Okay.
Yeah.
And modify. Reasonable?
Yeah. And now we can remove the two other patches that we are skipping and move them into the environment variable.
I see. Like,
although one of those patches seem to be passing now, so SSL session is passing.
Maybe in the manual one and not in the automatic one.
Okay, yeah, fair.
Delete. Delete.
Nixos test.nix. Oh, okay, you're removing the patches. Okay.
Delete. Okay. So what now? Now we can supposedly skip tests. What do we do?
Yeah. Yeah, no, we just have
rotate.
to. Right.
So what did we discover about the names of tests, about the IDs? Do we know what they are? Is it just the same as?
Yeah, it's the same as what is printed.
Which makes sense. It's just a static Python item.
Yeah.
So we know how to obtain these. Okay.
Yeah. Sharing. Chat. Mobs that. We don't need this anymore. Okay. Yeah. We should run the tests and go over them one by one and either.
I don't know. Here's a idea. Oh, this kind of sucks. Okay. Well, what if we run with no parallelism, run with one VM, and because the output will be more reasonable to parse.
Yeah.
And here's another idea. Pipe all the output into a file so that we don't lose it in the limited history of the buffer. and then we can use an editor to like grab the failing ones using a macro or a regular expression.
Yeah. We should do that in the NixOS test VM or in the manual test.
I think in the automatic tests, because that's where we actually need to skip.
Yeah. Okay. I think it might also be worth it to have SSH enabled in this to get the file out.
No, just pipe the output. We get the output in the terminal, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Do we don't get? Wait, what? We do get because of this print, right?
Yeah. Print to the. Yeah.
Yes, that's where we should get our.
Okay. Let's do it. Run VM. This. No.
And pipe.
Not. It's VMs hyphen 5 VMs. Yeah, this one.
One VM.
We need one VM.
And pipe.
Pipe.
And we don't know whether it stood out or stood there.
Yeah, so it's direct both.
Pipe both to some file.
Yeah, vm.log or something. Then we need this, that. Yeah, that's it. No, I don't have to run it in background, so that's fine. Yeah, I'll just run. Okay.
Try tailing that file.
Tail.
F,
yes. vm.log.
Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What else can we discuss? Hopefully, if there are no hanging tests, because it's not been our experience that any tests hang for a while.
Yeah.
Oh, darn. But we just removed the skipping of a test that used to hang.
Oh, yeah.
I think we should cancel this run and add that environment variable.
Yes.
Skip those two tests.
Yeah. XOS tests. I can just
so in the script, what do we do? Is it in the script, or is there a way to insert specific environment variables into where exactly?
In the VM environment, but I think we can just do what we're doing for CI_var for now. But that
the command will be quite
big.
it
will be long. We can env vars in XOS tests.
It'll just be environment dot variables there.
Oh, yeah.
So
should be fine to have global in this case?
I think it's fine.
How does it know exactly if you skip this? It's probably a coincidence. Okay.
It got the syntax correct, the separator as well.
Oh yeah.
Maybe it became an AGI and developed mind reading,
Yeah.
reading the minds of humans, and now it's just teasing us,
Yes.
inserting ambient suspicion in us to make us anxious all the time.
Yeah.
So do environment dot variables dot
Yeah.
skip tests.
Somewhere here. Nodes.
Yes, we already have environment dot system packages.
Yeah.
So
And oh, you mean I should make that an address set? Yeah. Oh, let me just rotate it instead. Oh wait, what do I have here? There's some vm.log. Oh, I should remove that. Well, next, no changes. Yeah.
Sharing. Shared. This is kind of rather helpful.
Isn't it variables is equal to
Oops.
variables
Let me
dot
see that
skip
I know how
test?
to do this. Yes. So it'll be a list mapped. No. Lib concat
Map
strings
string sep.
sep. I think we should have it in these two.
Yeah. SMTP, SSL session and TLS session. Get email account was just erroring, so I don't think we should.
Huh? That's the one we chose to skip for some reason.
Yeah, it's just that was random. But the ones that we patched were the two below. Test TLS. That's not the full name. Yeah.
Test SMTP.
Yeah. And test SMTP TLS session. Yeah, these two.
Okay. Okay, so now let's kill this thing. Std test one. How? I'm going to have to ask how to do this every time.
Oh,
And
it's
yes, but this is no shell.
two greater than one.
It's not the same in new shell.
Oh, okay, new shell, right. Stood at a redirection.
And I want to see
if it's intuitive.
Well, first let's learn.
Oh, nice. What about both stood in and stood out? Oh, it's there.
Oh, that's nicer, isn't it?
Yeah. So in Bash, I'll have to remember 2 greater than ampersand 1.
Should do the trick, right?
Yes.
Let's just open.
Oh. Concat string. I think it's concat string sep. And not wait, I'm not sure. I don't remember. Oh, it's strings. Okay.
How do I follow though? Maybe raw. Read? Search terms read. No. No way.
Oh. Something that Nushel doesn't have.
No way. Can open this in UVim.
Does it follow automatically?
I thought it should, but I never tried this.
I think you'll have to keep reloading the buffer.
Okay. Well, so the plan is to
let it run.
Somehow make a copy of this file and then start editing it to get only the test names.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as we get one of them, but we won't. It'll take a couple of minutes more, I suppose. It's one VM. And then we get that list and we will find ourselves in a much better situation, right?
Yeah.
Where the test suite passes, not all the tests pass. Also, we will know, we will have a list of which tests fail.
Mm-hmm.
So we should be able to start considering how to tackle this list.
Yeah.
Which is a very good thing to have. But we don't need to tackle this list. We can make a PR. So maybe we should take a look at our changes because we have a bunch of changes in this branch at least.
Yeah.
Sorry. Well, that's the patch, and it's the inclusion of the patch in the patch itself.
Mm-hmm.
That seems to be working fine. This editor config, I can just delete that. There's a left hook, right? Wait,
Yeah.
is it? No, I didn't delete it from correct place. Source
Yeah.
says store.editor config. Or maybe there was no such.
But
what did I do?
Doesn't RM usually complain? Okay.
I don't know what's going on. I rammed a file that does not exist. Now it's not found. Oh, maybe it's get ignored anyway. That's why I delete the file that is get ignored.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's delete it from the correct place, right?
Mm-hmm.
I can also do git checkout with p nixos tests dot, and then I'll say I want to keep this. So I say no, don't check out. But it doesn't apply to deleted files, I suppose.
Yeah.
That sucks. I wonder why. Okay. Remove source nixos editor config. Source nixos
Left hook.
left hook. Source nixos. That's the minica. Okay, now we have the minica key. Well, so now we have to decide, do we want to do for the this is a necessary. Is this a necessary change at all to get the tests passing? It is, because curl needs this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Curl needs, and for automated tests, it needs to align. But it doesn't have to be this change. I mean, this change is fixing it at code time.
Yeah.
Which is wrong for a certificate. Certificates should be generated at build time, probably, or at runtime, even better. So that's what we do. So I think we should drop this fix and do a fix that's more similar and even shared. Remember when we talked about sharing the code with
Manual
between the
testing.
automatic? Yes.
Yeah.
See, it is in main, it is a set of files that are checked in, and now we even changed their file names. These forwarded ports are commented out. They're not relevant anymore because this is for automated tests. There's this question of the story of, hey, what if a test fails in automated tests? Do you want to be able to go in there and debug it? But that's already impossible, because it just fails. I mean,
yeah.
Unless you in the first place you ran it with the interactive mode. But hey, instead of doing that, and use the manual test command, right?
Yeah.
So we don't need port forwarding
Mhm.
in the automated tests. And it's incompatible because we have multiple VMs here, like hard coded.
Yeah.
So none of this port forwarding stuff is going to be compatible with that. There's some stuff that has to do with networking here that we can take a look at. There's this extra init stuff that we should just try to like maybe just remove, just to comment out and see whether it's necessary or not, really.
Yeah.
Here is whatever
The tree-
source NixOS tree from.
Yeah.
Source NixOS tree font. Here's the diff again. So not a lot, right?
Mhm.
Not a lot. And our test script is the primary change here.
Yeah.
I do. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, I think it's done.
We have all of them. Oh, we only have 10 errors and 6 failing. Not too bad.
So yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
Then we can probably get the test passing in this PR itself.
I wouldn't try. I
Okay.
wouldn't try. I just want to make progress. We can follow up.
Mhm.
So I just wanted to make a change before. NixOS tests. This thing. Packet. It's not augment. And that. Okay. So now we have this new file. I think our command is finished, as we can see here.
Mhm.
And so that means I can just mob next. It'll check
you might
in.
want to delete the log.
No.
Or, okay.
I want.
Oh yeah, we want to take a look at the. Okay, shed. Mob start.
To make a copy of it first. And call it list.
CP test the log to list.
Skip
list.
Skip list.
Skip test. Skip test.
Whatever.
Dot list. Dot. Yeah.
Now open that new file.
Skip test and remove.
Find us the first failing test.
This will probably go.
Don't do that.
Yeah.
Just find the first one.
Yeah. Oh, I just have to search for the
big fail.
This line.
Or that. Yes.
Yeah, this is the one.
Is that the first one?
Yes.
Okay. Delete from the top until that line.
Yeah. I can select this, go to the top, and delete.
All right. Now, delete now. Now delete from delete the traceback. You know what? No. Go to the bottom, the very bottom. Is that just a traceback? Okay. So now delete all the tracebacks.
These also go. This. Yeah. I
that
can
was
do
not
one
a
thing.
traceback.
Huh?
Yeah. And now
There was
come do whatever you like.
Yeah. I was wondering if traceback is important, at least to know why the test failed. If I mean, if it's actually worth skipping, or maybe change in configuration would skip it. I mean, would make it pass.
I see.
In this case, I think we have to skip it because it doesn't seem like it's our problem.
It's always our problem.
I mean,
okay. So here's what we do. We store in the list of tests that we skip.
Mhm.
We store it as a list of adder sets.
Yeah.
That have ID and traceback.
Okay.
The traceback will not be used. It's just for reference.
Yeah. Makes sense.
So in this file,
Uh-huh.
make that change. Convert this stuff to a Nix expression that is a list of adder sets with ID and traceback.
Whoa. Okay.
Well, traceback is just a string, literal.
Yeah. I can just ask an LLM to give me key bindings to do that here.
Do you have a macro? Do you know the macros?
Let's see. Question mark? No. Please help. It's the command palette. Record macro. Q.
Big Q.
Yeah. Replay macro. Small q. Okay.
So go to the top.
Let's record a macro. I mean, I'll be first. Okay. Big Q. Register to okay. Recording to register.
Register at. Is that the register?
Yeah. Should I type any letter? I think in Neolum I used to type a letter to record it at some register. I don't know.
I think it's already recording.
Yeah. And now I have to select the ID, right? Somehow. So I should find not the yeah, actually I can find the next rounded bracket to go to the ID, right? So find this. Yeah, that's right. And then I
Step
can
1 to the right.
Step 1 to the right. Select this.
Jump to the
And
closing.
Step 1 to the left. Grab this. I'll cut this out. And then have, okay, move right.
Maybe we can now select the first 3 lines, like 1 line above and 2 lines below.
And replace, yeah. Okay. Escape.
But
1 line
don't
above.
line select because you have not, you copied something without a line feed at the end of it. So go to the beginning of the line.
Beginning of the line.
Select. And now search for some, and now go down twice. And now go to the end of the line.
End of the line.
And does this select the final line feed? We don't know. Just paste
Yeah.
over this. Can you replace this with? Good.
Good.
And now the final action we need to do is jump to searching for equals.
Yeah.
Because that's where we started.
Yeah. So search equals this. I need to search for this. Yeah. Got it.
And jump to the beginning of the line.
And jump to the beginning of the line.
And here I think we can stop recording. But
okay.
This is not general enough because here is it's an additional line. All right.
Yeah. Yeah. So I stop recording, or we'll just
Yes, I think you should undo,
undo. Okay.
and we can rotate.
Okay.
And like
Yeah. Okay.
I can learn from what we did, and
This much, I think. Yeah. This is good.
yeah, yes,
What
good
next?
progress.
2,000
Sharing.
lines. Yeah.
Shared. Recording.
Mhm.
Let's call it I for ID. We are at that position.
Yeah.
I can search for what was that? An enter? I don't want to do that again. I search for. Is it this?
Rounded bracket.
No. Is it that?
The rounded
I
opening.
don't even know how I did that. Is it this?
Yeah.
Okay. Go here.
Yeah.
Select, search for that.
Cut.
I copied.
Okay.
Go up. How do I go to the
Start. Yeah.
start of the line? Select.
Yeah.
Search a bunch of these.
End of the line.
And in my case, it
paste.
selects with the final line feed. So I'm going to go one back
Uh-huh.
and paste it.
Okay.
Now I will search for some equals. And that's it. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's execute it again. Pattern not found. Huh? I never searched for that. That's strange. How did it get that? I never searched for that.
Yeah.
Why is it searching for that? Did I save it as I?
Yeah.
That's what I did. Now it's a different pattern? Are you going to do a different pattern every time? What is it? What's the deal? I really don't understand what just happened. Hold on. What? Record I. I bet it's something I pressed. I bet it's something I pressed wrong. Okay. Here. That seems solid. Oh, forgot to go to the next one. That's fine. I can like undo this and then record. I can record just Q and then do, you know what, give me an I and then search for this stuff and then I have a Q. Okay.
Yeah.
And then I can try doing Q, right? Which if I go up here, I don't know. I should have before the. Is it like multiple tracebacks? This is not sound what we just did, because there seemed to be. You see here? But this is we can see where there's a change, right? There's a change here. There's a change here.
Yeah.
But okay, it seems
It
to be
doesn't
working.
matter, right? It doesn't matter if there are multiple tracebacks.
Well, we need stuff to search by, and it's going to have to be frappe.tests, I suppose, right?
Yeah.
Instead of traceback, because I thought we were going to be, you know. So let's go here and do another one, and another one, another one, another one, and 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 it couldn't find another one of these. We can delete this.
Uh-huh.
And now we need to make. We can start by doing like frappe tests, searching for that, and then adding some curlies.
Yeah.
Well, we can start by making this all a list.
Add
one
list.
list.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, maybe next this can be curlies. We need to introduce curly into each of these, right?
Oh,
that sounds good.
Sharing. Shared. Start. Skip this. Okay. We need curlies. So it has to start here and then end after the traceback. Let's see. First, let me record.
Start there. You start recording.
Yeah. Start recording. Insert a curly.
Okay, yeah. Insert a curly.
And a space.
Line feed.
Wait. Line feed. Okay.
All right. So
and
do this. Okay. What now? Now do this for. Now just search for the next frappe.tests.
Yeah. Search. Oh no.
That's okay.
Yeah. Search for the next.
frappe.
Frappe.tests. Oh, I need the actual dot test. Oh no.
That's fine. Cancel the search.
I just need something that starts with frappe.test. No, doesn't have anything.
Hold on. Listen. Yeah. I know how to solve this. Search for the beginning of a line.
Yeah. Caret.
And then frappe.tests.
Yeah, that's what I. Yeah.
And jump there.
Yeah. Go on.
And that's no, don't do
Okay.
that. Go back. This is the macro.
What about the ending curly?
Not yet. Let's do a successful macro and apply it to all of them.
Okay. Then I stop recording. Okay. Now I just replay it.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Don't go down.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Stay there. Replay.
Replay.
Replay until it fails, because you won't find the next, unless it wraps. But I don't think it should wrap in. Whoops. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's just a small jump.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. It wrapped.
Okay.
Yeah.
Show us a diff.
Let's get this. Get diff. Oh, what? Oh, I didn't save the file. Get diff. Yeah.
Looks good. Let's
Yeah.
do another macro.
Okay. Right from here.
Yeah. From
Okay.
there. We can use each frappe.tests in order to close the one before it, except for the last one. So let's do that. That should be easy, right?
Yeah.
So, but we should start not from the first one.
Mm-hmm.
So
Start
let's
from
just
the last.
not from the last. It's just search for one so that you find the next one.
Yeah. Yeah, this one.
And jump to it. Yes.
Mhm.
Now record.
Record.
Okay. Now go above the opening curly
Mm-hmm.
and introduce a closing.
Yeah, and a comma.
No, we don't
Oh
have
no,
commas
sorry.
in
Yeah.
lists.
Yeah. That's my bad. Yeah.
And search for
The next.
well, search twice. We have to search for the next one and then the next one after that.
Yeah. Frappe test.
And then the
Search. Next one. Yeah. And stop recording.
Yes.
Stop recording. And now replay
Apply.
from here.
Yes.
Replay. Replay.
Apply.
Replay. Replay. Replay.
Apply.
Replay.
Apply.
Replay.
Apply.
Replay. 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 Replay.
Apply.
Replay. Yes. Then yeah, that's it.
Okay, now go to the end and do the final one.
Yeah. GE. Go to end. And do this. Yes.
Good.
Yeah.
Back to the top.
Yeah. We need the string for this key and equals after that. We need
That's
to
right.
code this. Yeah.
So we start here, we record, we type in ID.
ID. Okay. ID
equals quote end of line, jump to
end of line,
insert after quote semi.
Yeah.
And search for the next start of line frappe dot.
Yeah. Okay. And search for the next start of line frappe dot this. Yes.
And go to the beginning of the jump to the beginning of the line.
Yes.
And stop recording.
Stop recording. And now replay.
Apply.
Apply, 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 apply. And that's what? Oh, it applied twice. I think this was
Cancel
the end,
one.
right? Yeah.
Cancel one. Undo.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, nice. Now go to the top again.
Rotates.
Yeah. Up next. Yeah.
Sharing.
Mm-hmm.
Shared.
Now it's time for the traceback attribute.
I start here.
Uh-huh.
I record.
Yes.
Let's say it's Q. I can go down one line, right?
Mm-hmm. Traceback equals.
Yeah. Trace back equals
Multi-line string. Okay. Now the next ID,
search.
start of line ID equals.
That's right. This
Caret.
ID
Oh yeah. Equals space equal.
Sorry, I pressed enter, but I think the search is good enough.
Yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah. And then
Go up twice.
Yeah, up twice.
Insert above.
Yeah.
Single, single.
And semi. Yes.
And again, just search for that jump here.
Yeah, that's it. Let's stop recording.
Apply.
Uh-huh. Apply. Wait, didn't do the right thing, quite the right thing.
We should have seen right above here.
Yeah. The ending of the multi-line string.
Let me save and see what's happened.
Oh, it didn't add the ending. Maybe.
If it didn't add the ending, then it didn't jump. And it's like failed to. The only thing that it could have failed is to jump.
Yeah.
To search for some strange reason. I don't know what. Stored it. We start here.
Yeah.
Record. Go down here. Sorry.
Oh.
Bad record. Record. Go down here. Trace back. It's a little bit different.
Mm-hmm.
But that's fine, I think. Right?
Yeah.
And I'll search for the same thing, right?
Yes.
Maybe no. ID at the beginning of a line. Here.
Mm-hmm.
Search for it, right? Or maybe I cannot press next. Maybe that's the mistake. I cannot press next because there is no context in the macro.
Mm-hmm.
I need to search explicitly.
Oh,
Okay,
I could press
recording.
next in helix. And it got recorded.
I can press next if I started the search in the macro. But if I cannot press next for a search that I started before I started recording the macro.
Okay. Okay.
That's my theory. So this, and now I cannot press next because I didn't search for this thing in the macro, right? Now I searched for it in the macro, so I should be
Wrong.
able to. Oops, didn't mean to do
Wrong
that.
enter.
Go up twice.
Yeah.
That. Now maybe I can next to it, right? And then stop recording. Let's see. That looks better.
Yeah.
Not this.
Nice. That's it.
Well, I think I did one too many. If I undo one, I just need to like. If
You
I
can add
redo
this.
it.
Yeah, you can just add the last one manually.
Well, yeah, it's unsound. Like that?
Yeah. Yeah, looks good. Now we just rename the file to next file and then format it.
I guess.
Yeah, I think we can keep it here. Yeah. Alejandra.
Look.
Oh no. No. Okay.
We can fix this.
Yeah.
Quite easily. Because we can make it a raw string. We can search by traceback equals.
Add one more.
A raw string.
One more single quote.
No, it's something like r hash, something like that, or just a hash. No, r something. I don't remember.
Okay. Sharing. Shed. Mob stat. Just check for raw string index. No, not that. Maybe this raw multi-line string index. No, even this isn't that, right?
Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm thinking Rust.
Yeah. Oh, it is. Oh,
That's the
okay.
escape.
That's the escape, right? I don't want the escape. I just want to accept it.
That should be possible with more
Single quotes.
stronger literal string.
Yeah, there is. Oh, this is escaped. Okay. Again, escaping.
Well, it says that strings can be written in 3 ways. What are the 3 ways?
Strings can be written in 3 ways. The most common way is to enclose the string, double quotes. Strings can span multiple lines, the special characters, double quotes, and backslash. And the character sequence dollar curly must be escaped by prefixing them with a backslash. New lines, carriage returns. Tabs can be written as this, respectively. You can include the results of other expressions into a string by enclosing that is fine. The second way to write string literals is an indented string, which is enclosed between pairs of double single quotes. Okay, what is the third way? Finally, as convenience. Where's the third way?
The URIs.
Oh. Without quotes, for instance, a string can also be written as, oh, okay. So we have to escape them inside the multi-line.
That sucks.
Yeah. Skip that next.
We might be better off commenting out, using comments, because this will never be used in code.
Oh, you mean commenting all the tracebacks here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, we can do that.
All right.
Oh.
So start at the traceback. Record.
Record. Insert.
You want to insert? No, I want you to select. To go down and start line selection.
Okay. Line selection.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And now search for beginning of line.
Search for beginning of line.
And then close curly. No.
Close curly.
No, not close curly. 2 single quotes.
2 single quotes. Yes.
Now jump there. With the selection.
Jump here. Yeah.
Did it maintain the selection?
No, it didn't.
How can you jump, search and jump, maintaining the selection?
Oh.
Ask a bot. How to jump to a search result while maintaining selection in Helix. Shivaraj, I think I lost you. Yep. Maybe I'll continue. Okay, let's try to do this. Record, go down, select, search, beginning of line, like that. Go here. And do this. G, C. I don't have this? No. Okay. Different. Do it differently. Record. Go down here. Oh, there you are.
Over again. So yeah, let me share my screen.
Sharing.
Oh, you're sharing? Okay. Let me move next.
Did you make any changes that you need to next?
No, nothing really. No.
Am I sharing? I'm not yet sharing. Sharing. Share. Sharing. Okay.
Yeah.
Recording. I think I did something wrong. Recording. One down. Block select here. And then find caret single. Go one up and then like insert before hash space.
Yeah.
And then search for caret trace back.
Mm-hmm.
Very confused about what I'm seeing here. What is this? Oh, no, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. And then I stop recording.
Yeah.
Let's get rid of that.
There seems to be an
Apply.
error.
Yes, it's that string still exists. But it's okay. I mean, it's okay. It's progress. Apply. Okay, if I go to that. So here's an example from the end.
Mm-hmm.
This is what it looks like. It's like a comment inside of a string, kind of. If I go to the start, this, because it's still so basically we need to kill all these lines now, right?
Yeah.
So we start on one, and then we record. Oh, I don't know why I don't have a timer. Here's a timer. And then we kill this line. And we search for like
Double single quotes.
double single quotes at the beginning of a line,
Then
and even
delete
the
that
semi,
line.
and delete it. And then we search for the next trace back at the beginning of a line, right? Like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Stop recording. Apply. 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 Apply.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. But now they don't need to be adder sets. We don't need
Yeah.
ID equals.
They're
And
just
it's kind of
list of string.
inverted now. The comment should be maybe, or maybe this is best because if it's such a long comment that if it's above the item, it'll be weird. So
Yeah.
maybe this is better, right?
Yeah.
More readable. So all we need to do is format it. If it formats, okay, cool. That looks right. And now we need to use it. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is test skip. We go to next class tests. And we have this, it should be something like lib.pipe. The value is this path, skip.next.
Mm-hmm.
And we start the pipe, we import, and then we lib.adder names. That is, what about, sorry. No, no. No, it's a list, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a list. So we do this, no, that,
I mean, we
this.
don't need ID
Lib
adder set
dot,
anymore, right? In that file, we can just make it a list of strings. And
yeah, but then the comments.
oh, yeah, shed, right? Mob start. Oh, what's wrong here? Mob start did not. Should I close this?
Your internet is not good.
Oh,
There.
yeah. Okay.
Good.
And let's go to the next class test next and skip test. Yeah. If
We need to map each of the list items
mhm.
to a lib.getAdder ID.
lib.getAdder
So
ID. So
inside, after the map,
mhm.
you need another parentheses.
Yeah.
And there, lib.getAdder. Or I think even nicer is a function that takes test and returns test ID.
Yeah.
It's, and I don't know if it's test. It's like, maybe it's good.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we map it to lib. So
Concat
parentheses.
string.
Yes. Concat string sep. With the comma. Then you can remove the
We
blank
should
line
move
and
this. We
everything.
should move this to skip.next. Shouldn't we? Or do you want to just append it here?
We don't have comments for them.
We can add that they're hanging. But or
that's right. They hang. That's why we
Yeah.
move them.
Yeah.
There.
Edit, dude. We have ID and comment hanging. Test hangs. And then we need the same thing here. ID. And this also hangs. And to move this, just run the Alejandra. This. What's the path? Test. Next was
Test slash
skip test, skip next. Yeah. Okay. Wait, it didn't. Did it format? It didn't format.
2250 semi.
Oh yeah, there's an error. Yes. One file was formatted. Yeah, cool. And then I can remove this. This. That's it. Should work.
There's a blank line there.
Yeah.
Okay. Ship it. I mean, test it.
Yeah. One VMs. This is fine.
Why do you want to do one just to be extra careful or something?
I mean, we'll also know the time for one VM then.
Okay.
Because I didn't see a lot of difference between running one VM versus multiple in terms of time.
Let's do it. Let's keep the log as well, just in case.
Yeah. Let's do a tailf on VM log.
You're saying you didn't notice a difference?
Yeah.
It's been one and multiple.
Yeah. There's not significant difference, at least.
That sucks.
Because even with multiple, it took like 13 minutes on my. It's probably just a setup. So if
you
we
were
have a
choppy
state.
in the last sentence. Couldn't hear you well.
Yeah. No, I was saying that maybe it's just a state, the setup state across all the machines taking a lot of time. But
installing frappix takes a long time, apparently. Could also conceive of like increasing the core count per VM to try to make them boot faster and install faster.
Probably. I don't know how much it'll help because it wasn't really using a lot of CPU, at least single VM.
Is your internet like not the usual one right now?
Yeah. The power cut, the Wi-Fi is gone. I'm on mobile internet.
I see. Okay.
And that's why the.
So let's assume this succeeds.
Mhm.
We saw some changes, right? We saw some changes that we already made. What will be our approach? Are we going to like say, wow, this passes? Let's like try to kind of
Also, just a moment. I see there are two runners running. I did one VMs, right? But there's runner 0 and runner 1.
huh? Really? Oh, lost you. You back?
Yeah. I'm up next it with the changes.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's better sharing.
Yeah.
But do tell me when those tests finish.
Yeah, those are
also,
done. Those are
we
done.
should
I pushed it
probably
in.
so
I pushed it in vm.log
did
file.
they succeed?
No, they failed. Some of them failed still. That's probably because we have two runners.
It's because we have two runners?
Why
Why would they fail because we
I
have
think
two runners?
No, we probably did not capture all of the failures in our when we.
I
Because
see. We didn't
we fail
capture
as soon
all the
as one.
failures because we had
Yeah.
two runners.
Yeah.
Okay, let's fix the number of runners, something not right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What are we doing here? libpipe 256.
It's
librange 1. So
yeah.
from 1 to 256,
It's probably
libflip
line 52.
generators, VM count. 52.
Yeah, so it's 0 to VM count, right? Range. So 0 to 1 will be inclusive of 0 and 1.
Should be 1.
Yeah, that's right.
I think it should be minus.
A VM count minus 1. Yeah.
The count is. Or we should do range 0.
Yeah, but then that will mean 0 VMs for 1 VM.
It's not a count.
Yeah. I think this is fine. VM
That's
count
right.
minus 1.
Count should be count, and here we should do VM minus 1. And does that apply anywhere else? Also,
No,
what
that's
is the precedence here? Okay, that's not right.
Yeah.
Whoops.
We choose to do 0 here because of the bench thing below. Total bills, all of that. In the descript, but yeah, I think this should work. This should be fine.
I didn't mean to jump. I didn't mean to do that. Which one is curly? Is that curly? This curly? That's curly. Okay, that should be right. Stood. 1 VMs.
Mm-hmm.
Test log. But we already have a test log. What do you think we should do?
Yeah, we should just take that and grab those tests and put it in skip. Yeah. And there are only 3 of them, I think, from what I saw. So we can manually put them there. I think you want
this 1, 2,
equal,
3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, there are multiple. Okay.
So this is a file, right?
Mm-hmm.
And not that many.
Oh, no,
6.
not this. This is not the file. This is the first one that you committed. I committed vm.log. That's the second one, which has fewer errors. This includes the initial errors also. Yeah, this one.
I don't see them. That's nice. That's really nice. Look at that. I like it. There are 3 of these.
Yeah. Yeah, those are the only ones now we need.
Okay. Mm. Huh. How'd I get back here?
Because it went from the top somehow.
Sorry.
I think these tracebacks are.
One of these should be, or maybe that's the last one. I chose the last one. I started from the last one. Did I? Why would I start from the last one though? Okay, so this is the first one.
Yeah.
Which is not the ID that I provided here.
Yeah.
So let's do another ID. That looks better. The question is, how do I make it a comment, not mess everything up. We can do this kind of comment and paste it, and then turn it into that kind of comment. I think that's good. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one is this. Practice my curlies. Put this into place.
Sharing. Shared. Just search for all these. Okay. We have first one, second one. We were doing the second one. Frappe, that's rename doc. And need to jump. Oh, I don't know how to jump with selection. I can quickly ask jump with selection helix. VGL, V select G. End of line. No, I don't want end of line.
How to jump to search result.
Oh yeah.
While maintaining selection.
Yeah. Extended search text. Search next. Alt N. And jump to next search result. Extend the current selection to the next search result. Oh, okay. This is the one, rename doc. I am here. I need to extend the search. Sorry, first search. Search for this. And Alt N. Alt N. Now.
Well, you can't reach the next search result before you search once.
Yeah, I've searched it now. So I Alt N. I think
but that's not the typical thing. What you want to do is ask.
Search.
It's not exactly that. It's you want to jump to search result, not to next search result. What was the question?
Oh, yeah. Jump to search result.
Oh, that is what we searched, what we asked. Huh.
So if I select and do Alt 10. It doesn't really do anything.
Can you do Alt/?
Alt/.
Can you begin selection and then do Alt/?
Alt/, no. Alt 10. This goes to the end of line. The end of the
Wait,
file.
what did Alt/ do? Nothing?
Nothing.
Okay. Well, that sucks.
Yeah. Okay. Oh.
What about Alt/Enter? Try Alt/Enter?
Alt/Enter. Oh, it did something. I don't know what.
Well, not now.
Yeah.
Alt/Enter as you press Enter when you finish typing in your search.
Alt/Enter when I finish typing in my search. Okay. I searched.
But do you want... Yes, Alt/Enter.
Alt/Enter. Oh, it didn't do anything. I mean, it did something, but not the...
Is your window manager capturing that?
Yeah. Oh, window manager. Yeah. Alt/Enter. Oh, yeah. Right, it's the window manager that's capturing that. I'll just add it for now. Skip thought next. ID. And go to this matching thing. Get all of this. And comment. Delete this. Oh. Delete this. And just rename dark. We already have this. Just need the trace back. Hopefully not too long. Yes. Okay. Copy. Skip. Dot next. And just need this. Space. Yeah. Just comment this bit. Yeah. Mob next. Yeah.
Sharing. Shared. I couldn't follow because your internet was...
Oh, right. Yeah.
Not. So tell me what are we up to?
I finished
This is the first one I did it.
Yeah.
This is
second.
Again.
I didn't format though. Yes. And third. Yeah.
So you did finish?
Yeah.
Can remove this.
You have to run the formatter on that file, but yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Good. All right. I will record this so that we have something for next time.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I think we did good work.
Yeah.
I think this is the kind of thing that really makes a difference for a project.
Yeah.
That was our initial like big significant milestone. Get the tests passing.
Yeah.
And it looks like we've achieved that without too many skips.
Mhm.
We should see what is the correct way to get this merged with
Yeah.
minimum changes. So we still should probably play around with the existing changes, see which are necessary before we. And then our subsequent goal should be to see whether we can make this faster, because it's not enough that it passes. We need to iterate on this project, right?
Yeah.
So maybe nspawn, but I think it's the installation step that takes a long time. Perhaps if we could capture that in a derivation, that sounds a bit sus. I don't know exactly what that is, because it's like an effect of some systemd unit running, and that's like not quite. There's no abstraction for that in NixOS. The state of a system after some NixOS systemd service ran.
Yeah.
It's not quite. Also, they're doing work that they all do. Basically, they all do the same work to set themselves up. And why does that need to happen more than once?
Yes.
Like, conceivably, we could get one of them up and then replicate that VM.
Yeah, we also have this test script that orchestrates between all those VMs. So I think we can find a way to do that.
But that's not the same. You mean the orchestrator?
Yeah, like you can decide when to start some VMs, right?
Sure, but this is very different. I'm talking about replicate the VM.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Or duplicate, clone it.
Yeah,
I don't think
that's what I'm saying. Like
the primitives for that. Right? This test script does not have a, hey, this VM, now just clone it and we'll have another one. Right?
Yeah, you don't have to clone VM, right? You just have to use the same disk. Copy the disk or something. That's the state is what matters.
Copy the disk. So start one, and then wait until a certain unit finished. Grab its disk, inject that into the rest, and then start the rest.
Something like that, but yeah, we can think about it. Yeah, along that lines, yes. Yeah, but we can think about it. Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. Thank you, Shivaj.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vilnius Manufacture, for sponsoring.